Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. I'm a fashion teacher and a fashion designer. Today's video is going to be about making this beautiful spiral rose sleeve, which was worn by Veekee James during our traditional wedding. It's a beautiful and a trending sleeve, so let's go straight into the making. So I have my basic sleeve pattern. This is my basic sleeve pattern. This is the fabric I'll be using. This is a bridal satin. My fabric scissors and my paper scissors, my marker, my chalk, measuring tape, and my pattern master. So if you look at the picture closely, you will notice that the fabric she used was an ashoke fabric, and it's a very stiff fabric, but I'm using this for the purpose of this tutorial. So let's go straight into the drafting. Sorry about that. So the first thing I will do is draft my basic sleeve pattern to whatever length you want. You can decide to make a long sleeve or a short sleeve, depending on the preference, on the choice. So in drafting this sleeve, the first thing I will do is fold my paper on bias. How do you do that? It's a triangle. Just take one edge here and flip like this. Until you are able to get a triangle. So this is it. Okay, let me just cut off this other part that I don't need. So right now, I have a perfect triangle. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is take my pattern, my sleeve pattern, place it on the other pattern paper that is a triangle. Now, depending on the amount of fullness you want, I'm going to move this pattern depending on the amount of fullness that I want. If I want a lot of spread or volume on the sleeve, I will move towards the end of this triangle. But if I just want a little rose, I could just do this. But I want drama, so I will just go just watch what I'm doing. This is my elbow level. This is my elbow. So right now, okay, let me measure. This is like 2 and a quarter. 2 1/4 inch above my elbow level. Okay, it's looking less now. Now there is no measurement here. There is no particular, at least 2 inches right now. There is no measurement for this. Just it all depends on the amount of fullness you want for your sleeve. If you want it very small, you can come closer to this sharp point. If you want it this sharp point here, this ending part. If you want it very full, you go closer to this other side. So I'll just tape it down so that it doesn't move again. Okay. So the next thing I'll do is to cut out. This is my pattern as it is right now. The truth is, I could have used just one paper. I could have just cut out one paper in triangular form. But I just want you guys to understand. I don't want any confusion. So right now, this is my pattern. This is a pattern that I'll be using to cut on my fabric to get my spiral rose sleeve. Or do I say the Veekee James sleeve? Okay, whatever you want to call it. It's a very beautiful sleeve you can add to your dresses. So let me set this aside. The fabric is also going to be on bias. I'm going to fold it into a triangular form. It's going to take a triangular shape. So yeah. Let me see if I'll be able to get enough. Oh, I couldn't get my full length. So I'll just increase the triangle. Okay, I have enough right now. So I'll pin it down. Okay, then I'll cut. Now I'll add half inch to this sleeve cap area, half inch to the side, the underarm, this part, then half inch on this side for my seam allowance I'll be using to join all of them together. Okay, I'm adding half inch here, half inch all the way at this upper part. Okay, half inch at the side. This is the underarm of my sleeve. Okay, I'm adding a half inch everywhere. Okay, so that's enough for me. I'll just cut. Hmm? Okay, so I have half inch here. Then up at the M line. Okay, so I'm done with the cutting. So the next thing I'll do, it's a very simple sleeve to sew, very easy to sew. So I'm just going to sew on this part here. I'll just sew my half inch all the way to this point. Let me do that, and I'll bring it to show you. But before that, let me notch. I'm going to notch this part. This is the part that will be attached to my shoulder seam here. So this is what I have after stitching, after sewing. I used a contrasting tray so that you can see what it actually looks like. I've sewn this part. Then the next thing I'll do is to notch. I'll notch this angle 90. This angle 90 part. Like this. Please don't cut the thread or you go back to the sewing machine. Okay, so you can see that it's free now. So the next thing is to open up. Then take it to your ironing table and give it a very good press. Iron it out to make it look flat and neat. Okay, so take it to your ironing table and give it a good press. This is what the front looks like. You can use your pin or anything, any sharp object to bring it out nicely. Okay, this is good. So this is the sleeve right now. This is what it looks like. So the next thing is to arrange it to get my rose shape. So at this point you have to bring out your creativity. Just watch what I'm doing. There is no particular formula. Just trying to follow the same pattern on your picture. Okay, so it's looking good. Can you see? Okay, I'll settle down to get more drapes. Okay, it's giving me more drapes at this point. So this one looks too big. Let me reduce it. Okay, so this is my beautiful rose. Wow, it looks good. It looks very good. So the next thing will be to tack it down using my needle and thread. I'll just pin it. I'll be using pin for the purpose of this tutorial, but if you're making yours, please tack it down with your needle and thread, because if you do not tack it down, it's definitely going to pull out. You won't be having the rose at the middle. You won't have it, so please tack it down with your needle and thread. Okay. So this is what the sleeve looks like right now. Okay, so I went ahead to cut an underlining, which I'll be placing at the back of this, like this. Just watch me. Then I'll do all my tacking on this one to this one, so that it will be very firm. So this is what I have right now. So I'll just pin it down to the one behind to cover this roughness here, because we don't want to give our clients a rough work. So I'll just pin it down on the underlining, then use my hand needle to do the final tacking. Okay, so it's a very simple sleeve, very, very simple to make, very easy and very fast, not something that you spend hours. Very simple and fast. So if you're making yours, try to use a very stable fabric, or you could use your interfacing to stabilize the fabric, so you can have the same effect as we have in the picture. So this is it. I'll just run a stitch here and show you what the final look is like. Okay, so the final thing I will do is to take it like this and then sew the underarm. I'll sew the underarm together. Okay, this is what the final result looks like. It's so beautiful. I untacked the drapes on the underlining inside, and this is what it looks like at the end of the day. You can try this out and let me know in the comment section what you think and how beautiful yours came out. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video.